So recently I came across these Raycon's Everyday Earbuds, and from how they look online, they look really good. Raycon actually reached out and sent over the Everyday Earbuds for me to test out. So in this video, I'll tell you if the Everyday Earbuds is actually good or not. So let's get right into this video, guys. Inside the box that the case comes with, you get the bottom of the case. As you can see, the case has a cutout for the charger and also a cutout for you to use a lanyard. Then you get a lanyard right here, which is pretty nice. It is like black and white, and I love the quality on this lanyard. Really nice. Then you get the top part of the case, which comes with an adhesive inside right here, so you can stick it on the top of the actual case. So really nice right there. So I don't see any extra adhesive inside this box right here, and I think that Raycon should have added an extra adhesive inside the box in case you want to take off this case and put it on back. This is how the case will look when you put it together. You're gonna have the lanyard on the side, nice and easy. Alright, so inside the box you get some paperwork. So you have the Raycon Club right here, which you could join. You have the quick start guide right here, which you guys know we don't use around here because this video that you're watching right here is your quick start guide. And then after that, I guess we have some, what is this? I guess we have some safety guidelines and some other paperwork stuff. And I'm gonna throw these to the side real quick. And then right after that, we have a sticker right here, which I'll stick somewhere, maybe on my computer or somewhere. I'm gonna stick this. This is a really nice sticker right here. And then after that, we have some extra ear tips. So let's open this real quick. So you maybe have like extra small and medium and then large, or maybe it could be like small, medium, large, extra large. But either way, you get 4 pair of extra buds, which is really nice. So one of these must fit your ear perfectly. So I like that they included a bunch of different sizes because you know everyone has a different ear size. And after that, we have some cables, which I believe is a charger. So right here we have a nice USB-A to USB-C charger. I kind of think that everyone nowadays should be making USB-C to USB-C and start to get rid of the USB-A port, because I think the USB-A port is kind of outdated now. So just get to like USB to USB-C, and I think that would be more modern. But either way, it's a really nice charger, really small and compact. And finally, we have the big guy right here, which is the Raycon Everyday Earbud. So as you can see, I got it in the blue because if you don't know by now, blue is my favorite color. And right here, it's really nice. I like the design. It's kind of lightweight and it's not too light, not too heavy, and it's very snappy. You can see that this is definitely a premium design. I like how it looks, I like how it feels. So as you can see, it is charged by USB Type-C. It looks like you can also charge this wirelessly, which is really nice. Not every earbud these days you can charge wirelessly, especially for the price that this comes in at. Let's check out and see if I like how it sounds also. Alright guys, so let's talk about the features. So the first feature that I want to talk about is the IP66 water resistant. With IP66 water resistant, you can wear this in the rain, snow, or even if you're working out and you're a real sweaty person. So with the water resistance rating that comes with this earbuds, you can listen to your music worry-free in any environment. Now my favorite features that comes with this earbud is the active noise cancellation and the awareness mode. Now with the active noise cancellation, it basically actively blocks out noise in your environment. So let's say you're using this in the public, like you're on a train and you don't want to hear someone else's conversation while you're on the train. You can actively block out that conversation and just listen on your podcast or listen to your music. That would be perfect for you if you're trying to just zone out and lock into your podcast or lock into your music. And then if you kind of want to hear some of that conversation and be aware of what's going on in your surrounding, you can turn on awareness mode, which will let you hear your music alongside hearing the conversations that are going around you. So I think if you want to play it safe, you can go with the awareness mode. But if you don't really care what's going around you, you can always lock into the noise cancellation mode, which is really good. Now the battery life on this earbud is really good. You get up to 32 hours of battery life, which means you can get 8 hours of charge on the actual earbuds themselves, and then you can get an additional 24 hours of charge from the actual case itself. And the case right here charges via USB Type-C, so you can pretty much find a cable for it anywhere lying around your house these days. You can just plug it in and charge it up real quick. So basically you can go like 3 days of using this for 8 hours consistently without having to charge it. You can get the everyday earbuds in like 4 different colors. You can get it in royal blue, which is the one that I have now. You can get it in forest green, you can get it in carbon black, and you can also get it in blush violet. Personally, I like the royal blue, but if you're a person who wants to be low-key, you can always go with the carbon black. That one, you don't really stand out while you're wearing it. It just looks minimal and simple in your ear while you're wearing it. And if you don't like those colors, you can always get more color option by putting on a case on it. I believe this case comes in like 4 different colors also. I believe you have a galaxy version, you have a concrete version, and then you have this yellow version, which is the one I went with. I just think that the yellow and blue is a good contrast. That's why I went with the yellow case. I believe this case is actually called the sunset case. I don't think they call it yellow. Yeah, it's called the sunset. So it gives you that nice sunset vibe with the blue. I just think that's like the perfect contrast to me, honestly. That's why I went with it. But you can always go with like some other colors, as I said, like the galaxy or the concrete colors. And while we're talking about the case, let me show you how to set up the case real quick. So first put through your lanyard like this, nice and easy, and then just put on the bottom part like this, nice and easy, slides in like that. And then if you want this part to be permanently on your case, you can just go ahead and remove the adhesive film real quick. After you're done that, you can just simply put it on your case like that, and then you can go ahead and use it with it in the case. Now when you have on this case, it helps to protect your earbuds and also give your earbuds a really nice look. And while the case is on the earbuds, you can go ahead and wireless the charges, or you can plug it in with a USB-C cable. So either one, you can do it while it's in the case. You don't have to take it out for it to charge or anything like that, which is really convenient. Now the price that this comes in at is $79, which is the same as the Beats Solar Buds. Now personally, I would go with this over the Beats Solar Buds, mainly because you get longer battery life. I believe with the Beats Solar Buds, you just get 18 hours of battery life on the earbuds themselves, but with this, you get 8 hours on the earbuds and then an additional 24 hours on the case itself. So I would go with this one just because I don't have to worry about finding an AC outlet when it's dead. The other thing that I love about these earbuds is that it fits perfectly in my ear and it doesn't have any stem hanging out like how the AirPods Pro would do. I think this is just low profile. No one has to know that you have an earbud inside your ear. Just look at that, like it's in my ear, nice and easy. And if it doesn't fit your ear out of the box, you have so many options to choose from when it comes down to ear tips. I believe you have like a extra small, a medium, and like an extra large or a large. So one of them must fit your ear perfectly, and it's very comfortable. I can shake without it falling out or anything like that, and that's just really nice. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pair this to my iPhone real quick. So I'm gonna go ahead and open the case like this, and then I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth settings real quick, and I will just search for it. Let's see if it pops up here. And right there you can see Raycon Everyday Earbuds. I'm going to click on it real quick. And right away it is pretty much connected. And I'm going to put it in my ear real quick. As you can see, it's connected. And let's do a sound test and a microphone test while we're at it. Alright guys, so now we're going to do a quick sound test. So I'm going to listen to this trending song from Vybz Kartel on Apple Music. So let's hit play. Wow, this actually sounds good. Wow. I can feel the bass, I can hear everything loud and clear. Like this sounds really nice. Let me switch the mode real quick from, I believe this is in active noise cancellation, so let me switch it real quick. So currently I have on ANC mode on, and I can hardly hear what's going on outside of my earbud, so it's really good on the ANC. And if I want to turn it off, I just press and hold for a second, and now awareness mode is on and I can hear my environment more. And if I press and hold again, I just turn off awareness mode, and now with ANC mode off, it's just playing like normal. And if I want to turn on back active noise cancellation, I just press and hold again. And now active noise cancellation is on and I cannot hear anything that's going on around me. That's just so crazy, guys. All right, guys, so with this earbud, you can touch and control the volume. You can control whether it's in active noise cancellation or awareness mode, and you can also touch and control the equalizer mode. I believe you have like a bass mode or normal mode and like a balance mode, so you can switch between those, and you can also control the volume, which is really good. So you don't have to touch your phone to like go to like active noise cancellation mode or actually go to like turn up your volume or turn it down. You can just press and control your earbud. And also you can skip the song, or you could go back to the previous track, or you can also stop and play the music by just touching these earbuds, which is really convenient without having you to touch your phone. These earbuds also have a feature called dual device harmony, which lets you switch between two devices easily, because you know these days no one has just one phone. Someone always have either one phone with a tablet or one phone with a laptop. It is always like two devices you have these days on you, so you can switch between them easily with these earbuds. Alright guys, so in terms of how the microphones sound, I'm gonna let you guys be the judge of that. So I'm gonna press record on this phone and see how the microphone sounds. Alright guys, so this is the microphone test on the Raycon EveryDay Earbud. I believe you have like two microphones on each earbud, so I think one is used for like the active noise cancellation and the awareness mode. So that's why you have two microphones. If you can see one here and there's one above there. But let me know how the microphones sound. This is just a microphone test. I want you guys to be the judge of that, so let me know how it sounds down below in the comment section. Alright guys, so here are my final thoughts. First, let's talk about the disadvantage. The first disadvantage that this earbud come with is that it doesn't come with an app where you can like adjust the volume, you can adjust the equalizer, you can like switch between active noise cancellation and awareness mode and like adjust it how you would want to adjust it by the app. The only way you can adjust these features is by touching. And talking about the touching is not as responsive as I would want it. Like sometimes you touch it and it doesn't respond right away, or sometimes it doesn't even respond at all. So I think they need to work more on the touch controls and let them be more responsive. Now when it comes down to advantages, the advantages do weigh out the disadvantages. Now the first advantage is the price. The price is $79, and for $79 you're getting a bunch of features. You're getting water resistance, you're getting a good sound quality, you're getting active noise cancellation, awareness mode. You're getting so many features for just $79. And also the color options are really good. Like you can choose between from black, green, purple to blue. You have so many choices when it comes on to colors, and even the case, you have so many choices when it comes on to the case. A lot of earbuds these days, like the top end earbuds, they only come in like one color or sometimes two if you're lucky. But with a price like this, you're getting so many different color options to choose from. I just think that's a good reason to get one of these earbuds. And the next reason I would get these earbuds is also the battery life. The battery life is 32 hours, and as I said, for $79, a battery life at 32 hours is really good. And also you can pair this to your phone natively, whether you use iOS or Android. It doesn't matter, it works with them both. And you can also use it on your Windows computer and also your MacBook. Whichever computer or whichever device you want to use this on, you can use it on at no problem. You won't miss out on any features or anything like that. And in terms of how it sounds really good for the price. Like for $79, you're getting a really good sound quality for $79. A link will be down below in the description for you guys to go ahead and check out these Raycon EveryDay Earbuds. But that's been it for this video, guys. Let me know if you have any questions about these earbuds in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and like the video if you haven't liked it already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.